Hello everyone. Today I came with the chapter number 1, class 8th, crop production. Students, kindly do share my videos and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. And if you have any doubts, do comments after my video. Thank you. Let's start quickly. Chapter 1, crop production. First of all, what do you mean by crops? See, in simple language I can say crops are plants which grow at large scale. That provide food, clothing and other products. Got it? See, crops are of different types like cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, oil seeds, many are there. So cereals like rice, wheat, maize, barley, oat, many more are there. Pulses like gram, green grams. In simple language I can say whatever the dal in our kitchen are there, that all are the pulses, like green mung, and you can say black gram, chickpea, means wo kabuli chana, any of the dals. Vegetables, any of the vegetable, onion, potatoes, cabbage, carrot. Fruits, you already know, any of the fruits like seasonal fruits, mango, apple, oranges, pear, guava. And oil seeds, cotton, mustard, soybean, groundnut. See, on the basis of the season, now on the basis of season we will divide it into crops into, first of all is the kharif crop, second one is the rabi crop, third one is the summer crops. So first of all is the kharif crop. Kharif crop grows in rainy season, June to September. ठीक है? For example, rice, maize, cotton, groundnut, many more are there. Second one is the rabi. Rabi grows in winter season. They are growing in between the October to March. Example are wheat, pulses, mustard, many more are there. And the last one is the summer period, which are grown in the summer season, means from March to May. Examples are some vegetables. Got it? This is the introduction of this chapter. Now the next topic is agriculture. See, complete chapter name is agriculture, crop production. Now we already discussed the crop plant. Now we will discuss about the agriculture. Agriculture. What do you mean by agriculture? In simple language, I can say growing crops, or you can say rearing animals. Rearing means look after the animals. Rearing animals on large scale. For what purpose? To provide food, fiber, and other products. This is known as agriculture. See, the land where the crop is cultivated is called the field. Before sowing the seeds, farmers prepare the soil by adding the many quantities of manure and fertilizer, and growing crops require proper and timely watering also. All the activities are known as agricultural practices. Now, what do you mean by agriculture practices? Uh, in which farmer farmer prepare the soil by adding required quantity of manure and fertilizers, and require proper and timely watering. After the maturation of the crop, they are harvested and then stored. This is called the agriculture practices, and the tools used are agriculture implements. Now I'll give you the simple introduction of the agriculture implements, then we will move the further. I already told you various tools are used in cultivation of the plants, and some are used manually, where some are used with the help of animals also. Simple tools are like for plowing. Plow is there, whether it will be a wooden or the iron. Okay, and seed driller, we need seed drill also for sowing seeds, kharpa for weeding, harrow for weeding, sickle for harvesting, combines for harvesting and threshing. And for the sowing and spraying weedicides, we need seed drill sprayer also. So these are the agriculture implements, and our next topic is tools for harvesting. I already told you sickle, harvester, combine, and winnowing machine. Now the basic next topic is the basic steps of the agriculture. How can we do the agriculture? Basic steps of agriculture. Now, what are the main basic steps of agriculture? Are the main 7 steps are there. First step is, we will discuss one by one. First of all is preparation of soil. I already told you. First of all, farmer have to prepare the soil for tilting and adding the manure. Second one is sowing the seeds. Third one is manuring, adding the manures into the soil. Then is the irrigation, by which method he has to watering the plants. Then the weeding from weedicides, and the protection of the crops from the insects and the weeds. Sixth step is harvesting. After maturation, farmer has to harvest the crop. Then at last, storage. Clean and store the crop at clean and dry place. So, first step, preparation of soil. See, this is very important step of agriculture. It involves a process of loosening the soil. Loosening the soil and digging also, manuring and leveling. Okay. See, loosening the soil allows the roots to penetrate deep into the soil and take in air easily, so that water, minerals, and some small organism, along with the dead organic matter, add various nutrients to the soil. And turning and the loosening of the soil brings those nutrients to the top, so that plants can get these nutrients easily. And I already told you, plowing is done by the plow is drawn by the pair of bulls also and other animals also. And nowadays it is made up of wood or iron, and some manure is added before loosening the soil. And after plowing, soil leveling is very important. Soil is leveled with the help of leveler. And before sowing, soil is watered. And main part of the plow is a long wood which is called the plow shaft. This is all about the first step, preparation of the soil. In my next video we will discuss the other steps. Thank you. Don't forget to share my videos. If you didn't get any point, do comments in the comment box. Thank you.